everyone, my name is Mimi and welcome back to my channel. Well, I'm going to be filming a makeup video on how to look better when you have been crying inconsolably, because that's me at the moment. Just can't stop. I just can't stop. And I need to. And one of the best ways to stop crying is to get dressed. I put on some extremely comfortable athletic wear and wear makeup. It is a great tool because if you cry wearing makeup, you ruin your look. So that's what I'm gonna do. And first thing you wanna do when you're crying is, if you have some kind of cooling gel mask, put it on your face to kind of take down some of the puffiness. But after you do that, you're going to want to moisturize with something very lightweight. I'm going to be using this P Calm Barrier Ampule, I think it's called. I'm going to put that on my face. Because when you cry, your skin gets irritated and dry in places from the constant waterworks. And then you also want to make sure that you moisturize your eyes. I'm going to be using the Cetaphil Gel Cream. This is just a moisturizer. There's nothing fancy about it. There's nothing fancy in it. There's no perfume or anything. And I'm just going to rub that around my eyes and let everything sink in. And I'll be back to show you step number 1 when it comes to the actual makeup. Alright, my moisturizers are nice and set. And now I'm going to put on my primer. I'm using a longwear primer. And you want all your base products when you've been crying to just be things that are long wear that you don't have to touch up and don't have to use a ton of. So this is a matte face primer. It's long wear. And I'm just rubbing that in all over my face. Crying will absolutely make any imperfections on your face stand out even more. Any skin texture, any discoloration, and if you have dark circles, it will definitely make them darker and more red. So the best thing you can do is start by color correcting, and you're going to put it everywhere where you have darkness, but especially concentrate around your eyes, and don't even attempt to use any fancy methods. Just a finger and that's it for this step. I've color corrected my dark circles, and as you can see, the color corrector has done a really good job of hiding my darkness and redness from crying. I also color corrected around my mouth and chin, where I always have to color correct, because I do not want this to move around when I put on my foundation. I'm going to set it with just a little bit of this clear powder, just a little bit. You want to make sure that everything that you do when you're feeling miserable is just really easy steps. So I'm just going to put a little of this. Okay, that's it. That's enough. Now it's time for the complexion product. And again, easy does it. I really like this Tier Red Cushion Foundation. And I love the color 29 in. It just matches me so well. And it looks very natural on me. In the right color, this stuff is spectacular. In the wrong color, it's super heavy. load up my brush. Okay. Everything else is going to be the usual concealer, eyeliner, just normal way that I do it. And I'm not even going to use a brush. So. I'm just going to use a big puffy brush like this to blend in this concealer and start on my chin. Alright, so the base makeup is done. And now let's move on to eyes. Simple black eyeliner, that's it. Very, very tiny thing. Before I do this, I'm going to put some powder around my eyes. Some more of this translucent powder. Okay, so now it's eyeliner. Okay, that's done. When you're not feeling well, don't worry about perfection. Don't try to do anything too perfectly. Just make sure it's on. I'm gonna do my mascara. Eyebrows I'm gonna do off camera because it's just my same old thing. I'm just going to put mascara on my top lashes because I don't want to add any more emphasis to my bottom lashes. That'll look puffy. Okay, so that's it for mascara, and eyebrows I'm doing off camera. My eyebrows are done. All I did was fill them in using a brush and some eyebrow powder. I'm not going over them with any little extra brush stroke hairs or anything because I don't feel like it. And the last thing you need to do is your color. So I'm just using a stain. Stains are easy. You can use stains with your finger, and that's all I'm using for this look. I will be right back. I got up and it decided it wanted to open without any effort. Sitting, it wouldn't work. So, quite vexing. Alright, now just a finger. We'll always place it on the cheek. I'm not going for any drama. So a little more on my left cheek. I think it looks a little less than the other side. Even it out. Okay. Perfect. That looks very nice and what I was going for. Lips. And last but not least, setting spray. And believe it or not, I really like the new L'Oreal setting spray. This stuff is like Teflon. Whew. Okay. And this is the final look. This is the final outcome of makeup for when you're crying. If you like this video, please give it 2 thumbs up, like and subscribe. My name's Mimi, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.